Hi guys, and today I will be making a video on how to make this glider right here. I'll now show you how this glider flies. Now it glides. You can't throw that hard or else I don't think it flies that good. Now I'll show you how to make it. So first, you're gonna need a piece of this type of paper. This type is A4. You can of course do this with any size, but I'm using A4 because it's, in my opinion, the easiest to work with. So first, you're gonna need to take this side and fold it to the other side. Now open it back up. Now there should be a big crease in the middle. Now take this edge here and fold it so that it meets the crease in the middle. Now do the same thing with the other side. Okay, now you want to take this part here and fold it down. Right here, fold it down so that there's, I'll show you. So, fold it so that there's some of this right here. Don't fold it right there. That's how you fold it if you're gonna make a tiger tail. And I think I might show you the tiger tail in a future video too. So now just make a crease along here. Okay, so now you should take this end here and fold it so that this corner right here meets here. Right here at the crease, but the side doesn't touch it. So it should look like this. This should not touch here. Now do the same thing with the other side. Okay, now see this flap right here? Fold it up so it covers these two right here. And now, this is where I like to turn it around. And fold along this crease here. So just fold it in half. And fold the wings down so these touch here. Now do the same with the other side. Now you should open the wings. And that is the finished glider. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye!